Ever stop to think, as you scroll through your banking app, why your local high street bank branch might be looking a little emptier these days? It's a question many are asking, especially when a name as prominent as Lloyds Bank announces a significant number of branch closures. It's not just a Lloyds phenomenon. Banks across the UK, and indeed globally, are undergoing a massive transformation. The familiar sight of a bustling bank on every corner is rapidly becoming a relic of the past. But why exactly is this happening? What's driving Lloyds Bank, one of the UK's oldest and most established financial institutions, to pull back from its physical presence? The answer, in short, lies at the intersection of evolving customer behavior, technological advancements, and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. For decades, the bank branch was the cornerstone of banking. You'd go in to deposit checks, withdraw cash, apply for loans, and chat with your local bank manager. It was a personal, tangible relationship. But times have changed dramatically. The most significant factor is the seismic shift towards digital banking. Just think about your own habits. How often do you actually visit a bank branch anymore? For most of us, day-to-day transactions are handled seamlessly through mobile apps or online banking portals. Checking balances, transferring money, paying bills, it's all at our fingertips, 24/7. Lloyds Banking Group itself has reported a staggering number of customers now using their apps for on-demand access to their money. This digital convenience means footfall in physical branches has plummeted. When transactions in branches drop by nearly 50% in just a few years, it becomes increasingly difficult to justify the overheads of maintaining a large branch network. It's not just about convenience for customers, it's also about efficiency for the bank. Maintaining a physical branch involves considerable costs: rent, utilities, security, and staff. As digital channels become more sophisticated and widely adopted, the cost-benefit analysis of keeping every branch open simply doesn't add up. By reducing their physical footprint, Lloyds can reallocate resources towards investing in and enhancing their digital infrastructure, which is where the majority of their customers are now interacting. This includes improving app functionality, bolstering cybersecurity, and developing new digital services. Now, while the digital revolution is the primary driver, it's not the entire picture. The banking landscape is also incredibly competitive. Challenger banks, often entirely digital, have emerged, offering slick, app-based experiences and often lower fees. To remain competitive, established banks like Lloyds need to streamline their operations and offer services that meet the expectations of modern consumers. This means adapting their business model to be more agile and digitally focused. Of course, these closures aren't without their critics or challenges. There are concerns about access to cash and banking services for vulnerable individuals, the elderly, or those in rural communities who may not have reliable internet access or the confidence to use digital platforms. Lloyds, along with other banks, is attempting to address these concerns through initiatives like banking hubs, which offer shared spaces for different banks, and by ensuring staff are redeployed to other areas of the business, often with a focus on supporting digital transitions or higher-value advisory services. The trend of branch closures reflects a fundamental evolution in how we bank. It's a move away from the traditional brick-and-mortar model towards a more digital-centric future. Lloyds Bank, like many others, is adapting to this new reality, striving to deliver services in the ways customers prefer, while also operating more efficiently in a competitive market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.